Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add TikTok Pixel to Gumroad. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to gumroad.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log into your account. This is essential to access your Gumroad dashboard where you'll be able to integrate your TikTok Pixel for tracking and analytics purposes. After logging in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage all your Gumroad preferences and integrations. Now, once you're in the settings area, look at the top menu bar. You'll notice several tabs available for different configuration options. Click on Third-Party Analytics. This section is specifically designed for integrating external tracking tools and analytics platforms with your Gumroad store, allowing you to monitor your sales and customer behavior more effectively. Next, navigate to the TikTok Pixel option. You'll find a designated field right below it where you can enter your TikTok Pixel ID. Go ahead and paste or type your TikTok Pixel ID into this field. This pixel is crucial as it enables you to track conversions, optimize your ads, and build targeted audiences based on actions taken on your Gumroad page. It's a powerful tool for anyone running TikTok ads and wanting to measure their effectiveness. Once you've entered your TikTok Pixel ID, you'll want to save these changes. In the upper right corner of the screen, you'll see a button labeled Update Settings. Click on it to finalize and save your integration. This ensures that your TikTok Pixel is now active and tracking data from your Gumroad store. And that's it, you've successfully added your TikTok Pixel to Gumroad, enabling you to track valuable insights and optimize your marketing efforts. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.